In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix battery shows being charged but battery percentage is not increasing. So let's get started. Right click at the start button, select device manager. Now, once device manager window is open, locate batteries. Locate your battery adapter and then make a right click, select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. After uninstalling it, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. After restarting your Windows, go back to the same device manager window, click on action, click on scan for hardware changes, and your battery adapter will be automatically reinstalled. And after that, you need to plug the charger and that will fix the issue for you. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so we can produce more useful videos and tutorials for you. Next method is you have to follow these instructions. First is you need to unplug the charger. Okay, unplug the charger, turn off your computer or laptop, unplug the charger, turn off laptop, and then open the back side of the machine and remove the battery of your laptop. Open the back side of the machine and remove the battery of the laptop while keeping the battery away from the machine. Press and hold down the device's power for at least 30 seconds. Again, while keeping the battery away from the machine, press and hold down the device's power for at least 30 seconds. Then, put the battery back into the slot and then turn on the device and plug the charger. That will fix the issue for you. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.